Hi, everyone. Welcome to our presentation on becoming a travel trader. Just like the picture you see right here, beautiful young lady on the beach doing her Forex trading. Okay, so our company is a travel company, and we're adding in the next 30 to 45 days our Forex education, because both of them go well and well together. So in this presentation, I will show you how to become a travel trader with our company. P2S Travel will soon be Travorium, as we're going through a brand change name. All right, so if you had more time and money, what would you do? Travel, spend time with family and hobbies. What holds people back? Lack of time and money. So how do you get more time and money? Okay, just like the famous author Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, 95% of all people are on the wrong path, according to the author, and we'll show you why. Okay, most people exchange their time for money. Either the employee, they have a job, just over broke, and they own 5% of the wealth, or they own a job, right? They're self-employed and still exchanging time with money. On the other side of the quadrant, 95% of the people that own the wealth are business owners. They create a system where the system makes them money. They don't have to be there and exchange their time to earn more income. Or they're investors. So you got 4% of those people that are business owners and 1% that actually just invest their money so that they could, they own investments so they can make more income. Now, P2S Travel, a better life requires a better way. Become a travel trader today. Most people, when they make more money, what they want to do, they want to travel. So we combine the best of both worlds, the largest industry in the world in travel and the largest financial industry when it comes to finance, right? Financials. So who's going to lead us, right? The corporate office is in California, established in 2013, 8-year-old company, debt-free, okay, paid out millions of dollars when it comes to commission. We're global in over 42 countries worldwide, right? 30 years of experience, David and Della Hart, Entrepreneur of the Year, finalist at the age of 24. So the main difference between our company and most other companies you've heard of is that we're actually 8 years old. We've been around, okay? Right? We're solid. We paid out millions of commission. We're not some company that just started opening their doors last week, last month, in the last 90 days, okay? So rest assured that you're in good hands with P2S Travel. Now, the travel industry is the largest industry in the world, revenue up to $8.2 trillion a day, okay? In the top 10 companies on the internet, you got Amazon, Google, and you also have Priceline, Expedia. Why? Because those are travel companies. And there is going to be a growth. There is going to be a travel boom once we go through everything that's happening in the world right now. There's a monopoly in the travel industry. You got Booking Holdings and Expedia Group, which own other websites like, Expedia, Orbitz, Car Rental, Hotels.com. The same way Uber changed the world of taxi, we're going to redefine the way that people travel and do business, okay? So we also have access to activities, car rentals, group travel, resorts, cruises, and shows. Our unique model helps our global customers to do 3 things. Number 1, save up to 70% on travel. You're looking to book a hotel, whether it's international, you're doing your vacation, or maybe local, or maybe within your country. Number 2, allow customers to earn free travel. And number 3, allow customers to partner so they can earn money even while they are traveling. That's the part that I love the best, being able to help people save money. And when they save money, I earn money. So the number 1 way that people could join us is free, right? They join our hotelsite.com. It takes 30 seconds. You register for free. You can refer friends. Every time your friend books a hotel, you earn the hotel credits. Very, very simple. But if you want more savings, okay, before I get there, actually, let me show you an example of the hotel site, right? So someone wants to book Expedia. You look at the price, $800. With the hotel site, you're looking at $772, $28 savings. Now, I'm a partner. My name is Bob. I refer Mary. She's free, right? She refers John. John saves money on the hotel. Mary gets $32 credit for a future hotel reservation, and I would earn $40. My question to you is this. How many people like Marie would you like to refer for free so that she can refer people so that you can earn money, right? I'm sure you're looking to a whole lot of people. Now, a member can save up to 70%. So that was the free product. Now we have the membership. If you're part of the membership, you also have airfare, car rental, cruising activities, and you can save up to 70%. An example right here, in Maui, Hawaii, you're looking at booking.com, $5,300. If you're a free customer, you're like at $5,000. But if you're a paying member, $4,000. Savings, $1,287 when you're a member. For some people, that's another trip. We have two types of dreamcation. Number one, the getaways. A getaway gives you access to 2,000 resorts all over the world, and the rate starts as low as $0 a night. Okay, so 3 steps to get a getaway. You decide your getaway, you apply your points. Your points are earned with your monthly subscription that gets converted into points. Now, if you have no points, you could go as low as $499. Now, I'm telling you, if you Google and you go online and check out Pueblo Bonito Resort at Sunset Beach, you look at between $1,500 and $2,500 a week. You can have it here at $499 or use your points and get it at $0. Our second type of dreamcation, our world tour. 5-star resorts all over the world where you can go for 2 people as low as $199. This is just one example of the Hard Rock Hotel that some of our partners were able to go. And then we add benefits, early check-in, late check-out, right? Party by the pool, recognition dinner, and 4-hour training that we'll be adding for our new product and how to make money as a travel trader. Now you can see the price difference with booking.com, $756 for the same price. Now, how much does it cost to be a partner? Well, if you want to be a partner, get started today. Only $49.95 one-time fee for the year. You get your hotel site where you can refer unlimited customers, a marketing website, okay, a back office, training, all of that's included, and you get to refer customers and earn money. Now, our 3 types of membership, we have basics at $40 a month, titanium at $69 a month, and platinum at $125. The main difference, more travel. As a basic, you have access to World Tour and our travel site. Titanium and Platinum, they have access to our Dreamcation Getaway, where you have 2,000 destinations all over the world starting at $0. We're adding Forex Trading. Become a travel trader. So now I just talked to you about the travel side. Now I'm going to talk to you about becoming a Forex trader. Now, Forex education system has been very popular lately with everything that's happening in the world. People are looking for ways to make money without exchanging the time for money as a job or having a business. What if you just have money in your bank account? Okay, take the money on your bank account, learn Forex trading, and learn how to make your money more money. So you don't need to sponsor nobody. You don't need to sell nothing. You don't need to partner with no one. Just with your own money, you can make money. Okay. So now imagine traveling the world, saving up to 70%, okay? Also being able to exchange your money to make more money, right? So this travel related industry is the single largest market, single largest industry in the world, and we're adding the Forex trading at the same time. Now, before you need to have up to $100,000 or $1 million to trade. Now with your cell phone and $100, you can start trading today. To become a travel trader, the Forex trader part is only $99.95, and then you could add the travel part, either basic, titanium, or platinum. You will get a copy paste system where you get signals from a Canadian company. Okay, that's all they do is trading. So this is not one of those companies where his name is Bob or Phil out of their basement, right, sending out signal teaching our partners how to trade. We partnered with a Canadian company that's been around for many, many years that deal with millions and millions and millions of dollars trading for people that have a lot of money. And now they partnered with us to give you the education you need, okay? The trading platform, daily market outlook report, Forex trade signal, video library, trading knowledge, whether you're just starting or you're a pro trader. Okay, so now let's talk about how much money you can make when you decide to share. Like I said, you don't have to share, okay? You could simply become a trader and trade and make your money, or you could simply become a customer and travel for less. But if you decide to refer customers, refer people to our trading platform, or to become a travel trader, you can earn residual income. And with that money, you could also make more money. So every time you refer a travel customer, you earn either $12.50, $25, or $50, unlimited. Okay. Then what happens is that you start building a network marketing part of it. So as you refer 3, you're free. Okay. So 3 platinum members, you no longer pay for your travel. 3 titanium members, no longer pay for your titanium membership, and 4 travel members, and you get your basic membership for free. Now, as a travel trader, when you have both, okay, you have the travel and you have the Forex trading, you only need 8 people, all right? 8 people that decide to become travel traders, and you can earn $400 a month. Okay, now you refer more, or they refer more, you're forced to start referring people, and you have 14 on the left, 14 on the right, and you can start earning $1,500 a month and become a 2-star director. Now, do you think you could refer 4 people that then refer 4 that refers 4, right? I'm sure you can look for people that would definitely love the education, or people that would love to travel for less. Now, this is our daily residual pay. As you pass the 2-star ring, you get the 3-star rank, $30,000 annually. Then you move up to 4-star, $50,000 annually, and then you move to ambassador, okay, with over $90,000 a year. Now with less than 200 people, okay, you could earn $100,000 a year. And this goes up all the way up to $3,200 a day, $96,000 a month. Now, with a platinum trader partnership, 4 who gets 4, who gets 4, who gets 4, you become an ambassador. Okay, you repeat, you personally get 4 people. They duplicate what you do. Okay, it happens 3 more times. You're an ambassador. I'm a 1-star ambassador, right? So now, if you look over here, only 100 customers needed in each leg. If you join us today, the person that shared this video with you is one of my partners. I'm the #1 income earner out of Canada. My name is Danny Seguinal, and we will help you build 50% of your business. You need to start and join today. It doesn't cost you any money. As we're transferring to our new name, a new brand name, Travorium, from September 1st to October 1st, it doesn't cost nothing to take a position, just so that you could learn and see exactly what we're all about. And then you don't have to make any financial decisions today. You could wait and look, you could start building your team. You could start working with us and gather all your future partners before paying a single dollar. As you can see right here, you could also have your car paid. So this is me and my car. I bought the Boss Mobile, right? So either you could have a Mercedes-Benz or a different kind of vehicles if you want. But just know that this opportunity, I've been in it for over 3 years as a partner that travels. And I can't wait to share the world our Forex trading platform so we can help more people make more money. So P2S Travel, enriching people with the opportunity to travel. Please get back to the person that shared this video with you, as they're part of my team. And I'm looking forward to work with you, whichever your goals may be. Thank you, and bust move.